La 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 la. Had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. One sunny Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you drive? Then how the reindeer loved him, shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Your reindeer had a very shiny nose. If you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you drive my sleigh tonight? The reindeer, you'll go down in history.